From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 35th question of NECO 2025 is on gradient. And we are asked to find the gradient of a line joining the points A minus 5, 8 and B 11 minus 2. So you want to recall the formula for gradient M to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so this is, we'll call this y2, x2. This is x, y1, x1. So y2 is minus 2 minus 8. X2 is 11 minus 5, which is plus 5. So minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. 11 plus 5 is 16. And 2 can go, is minus 5 over 8. And that's B. Thank you for